5 best ways to make money using Canva. 1. Sell digital templates. Design professional templates for resumes, social media posts, business cards, invitations, and presentations. Market them on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Creative Market. Target niche audiences, such as wedding planners or small business owners, to maximize sales potential. 2. Create and sell printables. Use Canva to craft digital products like planners, calendars, budget trackers, journals, or wall art. Sell them on platforms like Etsy, Amazon KDP, or your personal website. Offering themed bundles can attract more customers and increase revenue. 3. Social media management services. Leverage Canva's tools to create visually appealing social media graphics tailored for businesses. Find clients on freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, or network with small businesses directly. Use Canva's brand kit to ensure a cohesive look across a client's posts. 4. Teach Canva Skills. Share your expertise by creating video tutorials, online courses, or instructional ebooks. Platforms like YouTube, Udemy, or Skillshare are great for reaching a wide audience. Focus on specific skills, like designing for Instagram, to attract niche learners. 5. Design merchandise for print on demand. Design custom graphics for t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, and other merchandise. Use print-on-demand platforms like Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble to sell your designs without worrying about inventory. Keep an eye on trending themes or styles, e.g., motivational quotes, pop culture, to create popular designs.